everyone, it's Diane Yetter with the Sales Tax Institute, here with another episode of our Women to Watch in Sales Tax. And today I'd like to introduce you to Kylan Memminger, who is an associate attorney at Kilpatrick, Townsend, and Stockton here in Chicago with me. So Kylan, welcome.
Hi, Diane. Thank you so much for having me.
So Kylan, can you tell everybody what Kilpatrick, Townsend, and Stockton does and then what your role is there?
Yes, definitely. So I am an associate at Kilpatrick, and we are a full service multinational law firm with a robust tax team. And within that team, I am a part of the state and local tax group. In the state and local tax group, our work isn't just limited to sales tax. We also often engage in tax planning and litigation matters concerning many other tax types, such as income, gross receipts, and excise taxes, as well as some unclaimed property work as well.
So it keeps you busy.
Yes, definitely.
So Kylan, in your time either there at Kilpatrick, or I know you've had time in a couple of other firms, is there something that you've accomplished in the sales tax area that you're especially proud of?
In the sales tax space, my colleagues and I commonly represent companies during large-scale audits at the state and local level. I am probably the most proud of work that I have done at the county and municipal level. In particular, we've achieved favorable results for numerous taxpayers dealing with audits in the Colorado municipalities, which, again, as you know, is a tax system that is historically complicated.
That is a great thing to accomplish because particularly Colorado, as we all know, is just a nightmare. But even here in our local area, Cook County and the city of Chicago have their own challenges. And I know that you have been dealing with those tax authorities also. So well done. Well done. I know who to come to when I need help with the Colorado local audit.
That's nice of you to say, especially with all your experience.
So working in sales tax, do you have any advice for women that might be looking to get into the field?
So while I'm in the first few years of my career, I found it to be very invaluable for me to kind of keep my finger on the pulse of the evolving nature of tax law itself. May it be legislative changes or already existing law and interpretations of that law. And in addition to keeping up with tax law updates, I echo those women that have come before me in emphasizing the importance of networking and relationship building, especially in the field of sales tax, where you may have an issue emerge in a jurisdiction that you are unfamiliar with. And in that situation, the advice of professionals who have experience dealing with those tax authorities can often make all the difference in obtaining a favorable outcome for your client.
That's great advice. And there is certainly no shortage of things for us to read every single day, because as we've seen recently with so many different things, one state gets an idea and it's going to eventually start going to other states. So keeping your finger on the pulse of that is great advice. So thanks for joining me, Kylan. And it was a pleasure. And best of luck to you as you continue in your career.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much for having me again.